Hello everyone, this is Pratiksha. I'm welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you count the length of string without using length function and with using length function. So first we'll see how to count the length without using length function. So for that, first we'll take a one string जिसकी हमें length find करनी है. So we'll take a data science. And one more variable will take which is length because हमें हमारी length store करनी होगी. So we'll take a length as a variable. Initially we'll put 0 here because जब हम for loop use करेंगे so इसमें वो length add करता जाएगा. So for I in our first string, so as we know that I is iterating over the sequence, it performs the operations on each and every character. So we require the length of that variable, length of the string. So we'll use length plus 1. When for loop iterating over the whole string, it will add 1. So let's look how our result will get. So for give the length of that particular character, the length of I means iterating over the character, so it will give us every character and length of that character. So let's see. Initially I iterating the first character which is D and length of that 1 because length equal to length plus 1 add करेगा. Then again I iterating over the next character which is A, then A plus 1 which is 1 plus 1 2. Then again same thing will get happen. I iterating the third character and length, add length plus 1, then length equal to 3 and so on, and final length will get 12. So now as we know that our length start from 1, so we'll just count the length of whole string, that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. We'll get the final length which is 12 because, and the length, when we calculate the length, it calculate the space also. So we'll get our final output which is length of whole string is 12. Now we'll see how to find the length with using length function. So for that we also take a one string which is Python, and we use a length function which is inbuilt function in the Python. So we'll string name here and we'll get a length of that variable. Also we can write like this, directly put the string in the quite like machine learning, and we get the final output using length function. These are the 3 ways through which we can count the length. That's it for this video. I hope I made you understand of the best of my expertise. Bye bye, stay tuned. We'll meet in the next video.